We all know the mantra, pay your dues and graduate from college, and you'll enjoy a successful career. So for some, the goal is a bachelor's degree. There's an unspoken belief that the job market is just waiting for hordes of ambitious, eager young graduates to slide into high-paying jobs in the corner office. But statistics tell a different story. This is known as the skills gap. You must have the technical and employable skills industry requires in order to compete for jobs within your chosen career.
Now let us understand moisture content of aggregate. Till here we are very clear that water cement ratio is one of the most important criteria by which we can ensure the required strength. If there is a slight change in a water cement ratio, then there will be a huge impact on the strength. Now the water content in the cement must be accurate to ensure the required strength. Now if the water cement ratio slightly changes, then it have a major impact on the strength and workability. Now in the last topic we have understood about the bulking of aggregate. That means it might contains a lot of moisture. Now aggregate having a moisture content can alter water cement ratio. Hence it is necessary to know how to measure the moisture content of the aggregate. अब इसके दो मेथड अवेलेबल हैं. द फर्स्ट मेथड इज द ओवन ड्राई मेथड. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. यू फर्स्ट वेट द सैंपल and then weight it again after putting it into the oven. So the first weight will be with the moisture, and after putting it into the oven the second weight will be the dry weight, and you can easily get the moisture content. But that's a lengthy process and it's a laboratory process. Now let us understand a very quick process which is calcium carbide method. When you will be at site and practicing civil engineering, this method can provide you with the results in few minutes. Now let us understand this method and remember it for the long time. A quick and reasonable method for determining the moisture content of fine aggregate. अब इसमें करना क्या है? It's very simple. There is one chemical which is known as the calcium carbide. When this calcium carbide react with water, it forms a gas. अब अगर मैं कोई ऐसा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज़ करूं जिसके अंदर गैस रिलीज होने पर आई कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि कितना प्रेशर इंक्रीज हुआ है, और उस प्रेशर से आई कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि कितना गैस रिलीज हुआ है, और उससे आई कैन आइडेंटिफाई कि कितना वाटर अवेलेबल था. सो दिस particular machine is available, and in this what happens, there is a excess of calcium carbide in a airtight vessel fitted with the pressure gauge. So calcium carbide को एक airtight vessel के अंदर हम डालते हैं जो एक pressure gauge के साथ equipped होता है. जब calcium carbide aggregate के moisture से react करता है तो acetylene गैस फॉर्म करता है. अब ये जो acetylene गैस फॉर्म होती है उसके वजह से pressure increase होता है. इस प्रेशर इंक्रीज होने की वजह से देयर इज अ कैलिब्रेशन इन अ वे कि जितना प्रेशर इंक्रीज होगा उतना वाटर कंटेंट की वैल्यू उधर लिखी आ जाएगी. सो वंस दिस प्रेशर इज इंक्रीज वी कैन मेजर द क्वांटिटी ऑफ वाटर कंटेंट इन द एग्रीगेट. हेंस इंक्रीज इन प्रेशर डायरेक्टली इंडिकेट्स द अमाउंट ऑफ मॉइस्चर कंटेंट इन द एग्रीगेट.
Education is core to our economy. But in order to guide our educational systems and maximize future income, we must understand the misalignment between education and our work. The university degree is no longer the guaranteed path towards financial success as it was for previous generations. And even if you do earn one, that education alone may not be enough. In today's highly technical, knowledge-based economy, having hands-on skills and perfecting what you're good at can be more valuable than getting a degree in something simply to get one. Employers want to know what you can do and what you can do well, not just what degree hangs on your wall. Is career exploration. Understand the jobs available, the income ranges they pay, and evaluate the skills they require. Identifying is to align your interests and abilities with your first career choice and the education and training you'll need to receive. This alignment will help bring your future into focus and ensure your position at the top of the pay scale in your chosen career.